It's time once again for Christmas around the world. Where are my international elves? Here we are!
Why are they doing?
Let's get started. This year, as always, I'm going to totally global.
Yay!
We mustn't miss a single country.
Why? Children all over the world celebrate Christmas.
Check your computer, Santa. Where shall we go first? Holland. That's me. I'm Hans the Holy Elf. Watch this.
What are they doing?
In Holland, Santa is known as Sinterklaas and a special day is December 6th. Children place their wooden shoes by the fireplace, filled with carrots and hay for Sinterklaas like horse. Our next stop is Sweden. Welcome to me. I'm Kristen, the Swedish elf. In Sweden, Christmas Eve is celebrated on December 14th. Presents are brought by a known fly man named Tante. Children leave bowls of porridge out for him to eat. But a special day is St. Luke's Day, December the 13th. The eldest daughter dressed in a special white gown and a head worth with 7 candles and serves the family breakfast. That was great. Now let's see what country is next on my list. Italy. My turn. I am Bella the Italian elf. I'll take you to Italy. In Italy, Lavazza brings gifts on January 16th. She looks like a witch, but she is really an old woman who was too busy with her chores to help the wise men find Bethlehem. Now she has to wander the world, boarding good children. What fun! What's our next stop? Germany, land of Christmas trees.
I'll take you there. I'm Ralph the Terminal.
December 6th is the beginning of the Christmas holiday for children in Germany. Their Santa is called St. Nicholas. Decorating trees for Christmas is a custom that began in Germany. More countries to go. Let's go to France. Very well, Jeanette. Fear no or Father Christmas comes to French children and fills their shoes with puppet shows during the holiday season. Let's move on to England next. I'm Susan Elf for England. Here we go. Happy Christmas is the way English children greet each other during the holidays. Hanging stockings is a custom that began in this country. Many English children enjoy a special treat of plums pudding for Christmas and open paper twists called crackers, which are full of little toys. You're doing a great job, elves. What's happening in Mexico? I'm Joe's Mexican elf. I'll show you. On each of the 9 Mexican Christmas Day, Mexican families celebrate Las Posadas and act out Mary and Judas for After each Posada, the children try to break a banana. A teacher is filled with candy. The beautiful Christmas flower called a poinsettia came from Mexico in 1828. Now on to USA. I'm Julie Elf, in charge of America. Things are hotter down there. Here in America, we celebrate Christmas on December the 25th.